Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Walmart shoplifters caught red-handed stealing $700 in groceries.
On February 9th, 2025, officers responded to a Walmart for a shoplifting complaint.
Good old Wally world.
So our office is going to be down that way in the other entrance. You guys want to come with me?
Yep. We're going here.
I'm not going here.
Because I'm telling you to?
I'll just scan
You're not free to leave right now, okay?
But I'll scan everything that I have.
Okay. So how about that ID? It's actually like 3 times now.
No, it's cool. I'm gonna give them my ID, but I scanned everything that I had, and it's right there on the camera.
Okay, perfect.
Do you see me taking something on camera?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I don't.
I've been following you guys for like 2 hours. I've seen everything that you've been shoving in those bags.
Those Walmart bags or regular grocery bags?
The Walmart bags.
Just cool.
Let me see your receipt you got right here.
Imagine arguing and you know you in the wrong. Make no sense.
You're going to total the
You got
total
caught.
up of everything that was in your cart. If it matches up with your receipt, you'll be good to go. Well, I'm talking to
Trying to
you.
be rude. I was on that, and you can see that I scanned everything I put in my hand. Did I not?
That's not what this is about.
What is it about?
The stuff that you guys concealed in the bags.
No, not you guys. Because you don't got, it ain't nothing on my body, nowhere.
Talk about
And the stuff that was in the
bags.
bags is the stuff that I paid for.
I don't know what to tell you, man.
Okay, well then show me.
Like I said, if everything matches on your receipt, you'll be good to go.
Whether it match on the receipt or not, because you didn't get them rings off of me.
Oh, yeah, I'm
It's
saying, I
camera.
said you would be good to go. I didn't say she would be good to go. Yeah, like what, $200 and some worth of purchases on your receipt?
I don't know how much it was. I just paid for it.
Okay. All right, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Who are you talking to?
Both of you.
You can show me on camera.
It'll all be submitted in the forensic
No, because I
department.
didn't take anything.
You guys put stuff over in your bags.
You saw me.
Whatever way you want your hand, let me know.
On there.
Whatever is going to be more comfortable for you. No, I got you. I'm saying, let me know. I'll be in chill with you.
Can you show me where I took something off of here? You can, because we're back here on the camera.
You all right? Okay.
It will all be in
Have a seat over here for me on the bench.
But I didn't take anything.
Okay. Turn around, put your hands behind
No,
your back for me.
because I want to see what's on the camera.
Don't do this.
Can I see what's on the camera? Because I didn't take anything.
Okay.
Can you
Look,
don't?
look. I'm
It's
not
always
gonna
the
be rough
loudest
with you.
one in the room.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back, okay?
But I want to see what's on the
We
camera.
were cool with you the
because
whole
I'm
time. I
standing
could have
right there.
had you handcuffed from the moment I seen you, okay?
But I didn't take anything.
You had $700 worth of items in your cart, and your receipt was for $200 and something.
Did
You were
you see
pushing
me?
the cart out. Yes. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't grab me like that.
I'm gonna grab you. You
You're
think you're
not.
free to go? You're not free to go.
But okay, I know that.
Put
but,
your
but now
hands behind your back.
You're trying to be
Ooh,
rough.
get her
Let me
together.
put my
Get her
hands behind my
together.
back.
Put it back there.
Let my arm go.
Put your hand behind your back. Thank you.
Well, you're not welcome.
That's okay.
And I will be contacting the fucking lawyer because everything I scanned, I paid for it, and that is on camera. And you ain't got me on camera taking shit.
Okay. And having a lawyer is your right.
I'm not talking to you. And you know, that's too tight. Can you loosen it?
I can fit my finger in between there. I can fit 2 fingers in between there. It's
I
not too
didn't
tight.
ask you that. It's too tight. Remember.
I can fit 2 fingers in between that.
My hand through there. I'm saying, can you loosen it though? 'Cause
Have a
it's
seat
tight
over here
on
for
my
me.
wrist. They taking us to jail, and they don't got me on camera taking shit up out of the store, but they can't show me nothing on the camera. And the only thing they got on the right is some earrings.
Oh, that must be the lawyer. That must be the lawyer on the phone.
2212.
That they took off of her.
My car's all the way at the other end. If you want to take one out, I'll take them. Okay.
Can you refund me my money, please?
It doesn't matter.
Because I paid $40 for my items.
All right.
She
Come with me.
I'm gonna have to call you back
Honestly, I like the one with the little headband or whatever it is called, bonnet, whatever I don't know what girls call it, but
You got anything else on you besides just?
that one with the little pink thing on the head, she's of the mindset of, I tried it, I got caught. That's it. You know, it is what it is. You tried it, you got caught. You know, I like that one with the little bonnet joint, little shower cap. I don't know what y'all ladies call that. She ain't saying too much. She ain't loud. She ain't annoying. She just, I got caught. It is what it is, you know? The other one, all being difficult, come on. You got caught out there. You paid $200, but you got $700 worth of stuff in the cart.
What's your cell phone?
Yes.
What else you got?
It's in my bra.
What is? Okay.
I'm sorry.
Look. I'm not gonna go in there and get that.
I just didn't want to do that in front of everyone.
I understand that. Okay. Anything? I guess what I'm getting to is anything that's gonna poke me, stab me,
No.
anything like that. Okay. Your phone's coming out.
Okay.
You're not gonna sit back there and make phone calls. You can have your nutty bar. All right. What do you have? What's in your bra?
And I also have my vape in my pocket.
Okay. And okay. Have a seat in my car for me.
Are you clear?
The other lady just advised me that she has a bunch of stuff in her bras as well. So,
anybody close?
I mean, Scroggins is gonna have to come out regardless.
Just leave them there.
Yeah, I mean that's what I was gonna do. I mean, I've never had a female that had something hidden in her bra, so I was gonna ask you.
I would just wait and just have Scroggins
Okay. So retail theft over for her. I don't know what she all has in her bra though, so I don't know if it'll end up being over or under. Yeah, I'm gonna Mirandize her real quick because I asked her, I'm like, do you have anything else on you that you shouldn't have? And more or less as like a weapons and stuff like that. And she goes, well, I got stuff in my bra. I'm like, okay, let me be more specific. Weapons, anything that's gonna poke me, stuff like that.
She didn't see anything. I'll just have her make sure she checks everything.
Okay. And then I'll start doing the booking for her real quick. And then I'll have to get the receipt and all the stuff. We call Scroggins out when she gets here. I can finish doing the stuff inside. So what's gonna end up happening is I'm gonna have to get a female officer out here. More or less, I was reading you this because I'm trying to figure out what you have in your bra. You already admitted to having things in there, but you don't want to talk to me, so the female officer will come.
No, I will talk to you. I just don't want to do it in front of everyone.
So okay, so let me re-ask this. After I read your rights, you understand them.
Right.
Having those rights in mind, will you talk to me?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So what do you have in your bra?
Some cosmetics products.
Cosmetic products. How much are we talking in here? Like how many items are we talking?
I'm not sure.
Okay, a lot. More than 10? Probably. Okay. So that's what's going to happen. A female officer is going to come out here. The female officer is driving the wagon anyway, so that'll kill two birds with one stone. And we'll have to get those items out of there. Okay. All right. And we'll have to get those items out of there. Okay. All right.
Both women were charged with felony retail theft. Thanks for.
Yeah, we gonna have to do a strip search. Get them things up out of there, man. Get them things, man. Gotta get them things, man. No, but yeah. Oh well, you know, like I said, they're both wrong. You know, both criminals. You know, but it is the way you conduct yourself does matter. You know. Like, whether you get caught doing right or wrong, you know, the way you conduct yourselves matters. And out of those two, I like the way this one with the headband or whatever. I like the way she conducted herself. Upfront, honest, you know, and that's that. So anyways, but the officers did do a good job. Yeah, so 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.